What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony Berry, aka Berry Groove, and welcome to Dance with VS Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. Today, we're going to be learning a social party dance called the Monastery, also known as the Chicken Head. Let's get started. All right, let's learn this dance, the Monastery / Chicken Head. This dance was popularized in the early 2000s. It came from St. Louis. So, to break it down, let's start with the legs. You're gonna be using the momentum of your toe. You're gonna be on your toe and you're gonna push off. Not pushing yourself back, you're just pushing up, yeah? So you're pushing up and then you're alternating between each foot, yeah? And you're kind of shifting your weight from side to side. Yeah? So let's try with just our legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's work on the upper body. At the same time, your hands are going to be pushing down as you're pushing up. Boom, 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 boom. So they're kind of pushing out and pushing down at the same time. Let's try it, facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The more you bend your knees, the more funky it'll look, the better. Yeah? So now let's try it one more time, a little faster, facing the front and facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, let's activate the head so we have the whole body moving. So at the same time we're doing this motion, you want your head to be loose and going forward and back. Yeah? So let's try for an 8 count facing forward and an 8 count facing back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I think we got it. So I'm gonna do it for an 8 count forward, 8 count back, and 8 count forward. And then right after that, I'm gonna throw a little freestyle to see where you can take this dance and the different variations you can approach it with. Let's try it with music. And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing the front. 6, 7, 8. All right, thank you for dancing with me today, you guys. Couple reminders, don't forget your legs, your arms, that nice groove up here, and your head. If you want to know more information about VS, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersaStyleLA. If you want to know more info about me, you can follow me on Instagram at BarryGroove_92. Peace.